Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Casey, and let me tell you, AI is blowing up. Welcome to our YouTube channel AI Toolbot. It's like everywhere you look, AI is changing the game. From self-driving cars to those smart home assistants, AI is the future, and the future is now. Remember when we thought robots were just for sci-fi movies? Yeah, me too. But guess what? AI is already making our lives easier and more efficient every single day. It's like having a super-powered sidekick, always there to lend a helping hand. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of AI and how it can supercharge your daily routine. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get real for a second. Life can get pretty hectic, right? With so many responsibilities pulling us in different directions, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Juggling work, family, friends, and trying to squeeze in some me time can feel like a never-ending marathon. It's like we're always running but never quite catching up. But hold up. Before you throw in the towel, remember that AI is here to help. It's not just for tech enthusiasts or big corporations. I'm talking about real practical ways AI can take some of the weight off your shoulders. Imagine having a personal assistant available 24/7. Think about it. Writing emails, learning a new language, or even just trying to stay organized. AI can streamline these tasks, making them quicker and easier. These are all things that AI can make a whole lot easier. It's like having a digital helper that never sleeps. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to use it. AI tools are becoming more user-friendly every day. AI tools are designed with everyday people in mind, so you can spend less time stressing and more time doing the things you love. Embrace the future, and let AI lend a helping hand. Okay, so you're probably thinking, Casey, this all sounds great, but how does it actually work? How can AI really make my life easier? I hear you. Let's break it down with some real-life examples to see how AI can seamlessly integrate into your daily routine. First up, imagine you're swamped with emails. You know the feeling, right? It's like a never-ending flood of messages. Well, AI-powered email assistants can help you prioritize your inbox, filter out spam, and even write responses for you. They can learn your preferences and adapt over time. It's like having a personal assistant, but without the hefty price tag. Imagine the time you'll save. Next, let's say you're trying to learn a new language. It can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. AI language learning apps can personalize your lessons, track your progress, and give you instant feedback on your pronunciation. They make learning interactive and fun. No more awkward classroom moments or struggling with textbooks. You can learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Finally, let's talk about organization. Keeping track of everything can be overwhelming. Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? It's a common struggle. AI-powered task managers can help you create schedules, set reminders, and break down big projects into smaller, more manageable chunks. They can even suggest the best times to tackle tasks based on your productivity patterns. See? Using AI is as easy as 1, 2, 3. It's all about making your life simpler and more efficient. And the best part? There are tons of other ways AI can simplify your life. From health tracking to smart home devices, the possibilities are endless. It's all about finding the tools that work best for you. Embrace the future, and let AI take some of the load off your shoulders. Now I know what you're thinking, Casey. Is AI going to take over the world? Is it something we should be afraid of? And it's a valid concern. Many people share this fear, but honestly, I see AI as a powerful tool, one that can be used for good or bad. Sure, there are challenges and risks. We need to be careful about data privacy, ensuring our personal information is protected. Make sure AI is used ethically, following strict guidelines and principles, and remember that it's not a replacement for human connection. But here's the thing, AI is here to stay. It's becoming a part of our daily lives, and instead of fearing it, we should embrace it. Learn to work with it. By learning how to use AI tools effectively, we can enhance our skills. We can unlock a whole new level of productivity, achieving more in less time, creativity, and even fun. Imagine the possibilities. So what are you waiting for? The future is now. Jump in and explore the world of AI. There's so much to discover. You might be surprised at what you can achieve. Peace out.